What's that? Circle. Circle. What's that? You want to play there? Play there. Slide ikaw. Slide ikaw. Go slide. Not there? Wow. Yeah. Wow. You slide there. 1, 2, 3. Paksiw. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag din sa isda na yan. Pero nabili ko kanina sa Fera. Nilagyan ko ng ampalaya at saka talong. Matagal na ako nakikrave sa paksiw. So, ngayon ko na lang ulit naisip. So, ayan. Yan ang aming food for today. Egg.
Oh, egg!
Tuwan-tuwa si Khalid. Kuya, I will make picture, kuya. Wait. Ganda pala dito. Ang laki ng dinosaur. Huh?
Egg!
What's that? Egg? Okay, let's go there, Khalid. There. Tuwan-tuwa si Khalid. Layo na ang dalawa. First time ko dito. Palagi kaming nasa shopping din. Hindi naman kami pupunta dito sa likod. Madaming sakayan. Dalawa nandun na. Ali, call Khalid. Sakay silang dalawa dito. Parang train. 8 ang kada sakay. Hold your brother. Bye, Mama. Khalid! Khalid! Pauwi na kami. Ginab-in na sa pamamasyal. Baka umulan. Mama! Yeah.
Mom!
Dito kami guys sa sa Liberdad. Sa embassy ba? Nagpuntang embassy dito. Kasi kami ay anong tawag doon? Nagpa-appointment kami for requisition of citizenship namin. Sana maayos namin. Ando na yung aking paper. Bigay yan sa kay Ali at saka kay Khalid. Diba? What's that? Ugly ka, John. Did you say thank you to them?
Yes.
Kay Khalid ay monster truck.
Why the ice is so tiny?
What happened? Give me. So, waiting lang kami ng tawag sa amin. Yes! Wala pang masyadong tao. Yung friend ko, wala pa. Si Ate Katya. Pinagdala ko din siya ng dates galing sa masjid. Ang dalawa. Khalid, you like your car? Nice? Come, Khalid! Good morning! Good morning! Masaya ang bata. Hatid kami ng Creshi. Yan ang outfit ni Khalid today. Malamig guys. Malamig ang panahon. Hi Mama! Hello! Nagtatag-ulanin. Abo? Maaga pa. Sarado pa ang pinto. Come here, Mama. Come here. Beep, beep. Ciao. Oops. Oopsie. Oopsie.
Car.
What's that?
Mother.
What is that?
Mother. She.
Car. Beep beep. Morning, Kuya. What are you doing?
This is Lego.
Show them your Lego.
I made a helicopter.
Show them the one that you just build. The new one.
Wait. I'm gonna put that inside. I built this helicopter. This Mario.
That's the new one.
Yeah.
A gift
And,
from my sister.
and this is the Lego Minecraft. Another one. A dinosaur.
Is that dinosaur?
Yeah.
It looks like lizard.
I don't know. But so cute. I'm still building a cat.
Khalid is already
The
at
daycare.
the daycare.
Look.
So
Cat.
Kuya Ali's school is at 1 p.m. Still early.
Look, cat.
Yeah. I think it's still 10:30. So we still have 2 hours before we go.
Subscribe for more.
We always go from house like around 12:30 because it's a little bit far.
Yeah.
Takes like
100
20.
trillion days.
20 to 25 minutes. So yeah.
That's it.
Also this morning Ali got his vaccination for 11 years old. It's pain or no?
No.
I cannot see. Yeah, that one. For ano daw yun? For meningitis. So he have an appointment on June 5. June 5 for his next vaccine. But I don't know what's that vaccine. I forgot. So yeah, we're still waiting for the time to go. And
Helicopter.
I don't know, maybe I will sleep small time. Helicopter.
Look,
Wow.
it's built again. Wow!
Adik sa pagbubuo ng Lego. Pen?
Oh,
Brigada.
down.